Solana Price Prediction 2022. Hey, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we want to let you know that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, let's head toward the video. Do you know that Solana started to sink since the very start of this year, and investors took their money off of it? But here is something that only a few investors know. Solana seems to drip once again. If there is a cryptocurrency widely known by everyone, but it really didn't perform how it was expected, this is only Solana. Even though this cryptocurrency and blockchain is considered to be Ethereum's rival, it's facing a price decline. In 2022 alone, Solana got its price down to more than 200%. But here comes something interesting. After knowing all that, you may want to leave Solana and pick another crypto coin. However, what price Solana is being expected to achieve seems to reciprocate what it has lost so far. So, should you really invest in Solana and expect some profit? What price can it achieve in this very year, 2022? Don't think too much, because today we're going to talk about Solana Price Prediction 2022. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to watch more insightful videos about the crypto world. You neither would want to miss any video nor the profit possibility. We know that. Let's get started with how Solana has been doing so far. Solana appeared as one of the few exceptional open-source blockchains where any decentralized project can be built. Solana is a blockchain that has the capacity to support countless blockchain projects. In this way, it forms a whole network of decentralized projects, increasing its market and revenue at the same time. Whether it's decentralized finance, blockchain games, metaverse, and much more, Solana does not have any limits. Due to this reason, Solana's native cryptocurrency soared in both its price and fame. Within no time, Solana dominated the market and investors had their trust on it. Several projects were running on it, increasing its revenue and overall market. This had a direct effect on Solana's price that literally boomed and reached the sky. At the end of 2020, its price was at about 1.5, and this was the time when Solana was setting its wings to take a flight. As 2021 started, much like other cryptocurrencies, Solana began to boost up its price that reached $55 in April 2021. It was appreciated further since the market for Solana was extraordinarily bullish. In August 2021, Solana reached $81, which is the same price it is being traded these days. In September, Solana experienced what never did before. The price went to then all-time high of $191 and even continued to increase. It was the time when investors were bullish about Solana like never before. One after the other, it was setting deals, launching more big projects to further the revenue. By the end of 2021, Solana put things upside down and crossed the $260 mark, which became its all-time high price. Even though it was the end of the year, it didn't bring any negative news for Solana. The same way as Solana had achieved a great milestone in only 1 year, from 2020 to 2021, investors thought that the start of 2022 would be the same. However, this was the moment when things were going to change a bit. Unlike the past year, 2021, that boosted up Solana's price, 2022 took the price down. On 1st January 2022, the price had come down to $178 from $260. At that time, there was a sentiment that Solana might stabilize its price and achieve once again an all-time high price. But sadly, this has not happened yet. Since 2022, Solana is continuously seeing its price getting down every day. At present, it's being traded at $81, which is about 200% lesser than the price with which it had started 2022. Sadly, Solana, at present, is being known as one of the worst performing crypto coins in the market. The reason is, its price is decreasing literally every single passing day. That seems to break investors' trust. But here comes some good news for the one who had always been bullish about Solana. 2022 seems the same year when Solana will maintain its price. Let's have a look at what price Solana can achieve in 2022. Every investor is confused whether the price will decline further or rise at least to a level where losses could be prevented. Solana, unfortunately, experienced a major price crisis and is still doing so due to technical reasons. No doubt, the majority of cryptocurrencies are going through a price drop due to the international issues like potential chances of war. However, Solana did see prices sink even before the war crisis came. No matter what the reasons are, now everyone has their eyes on what price can Solana achieve in 2022. Well, don't worry. There is good news if you have Solana or are thinking of investing in Solana right now. Currently, Solana is being traded at $81 and is all set to gain a price just almost equal to its all-time high price. Back in November 2021, Solana made a big jump and landed on $260. This is the same price around which Solana's price will cluster in 2022 as well. There are different price analyses done about what price Solana potentially can reach. By the end of April 2022, Solana is giving hints that it can reach $255 or possibly more if the market remains in its favor. Here, something should be noted. It is not necessarily that Solana will see $255 in April. Rather, it can take some more time too. Long story short, in the mid of 2022, $255 will be the price Solana will put on the price board. But that's not the end. Here lies another good news. If Solana succeeds in stabilizing its price by 2022's mid, it can achieve an all-time high price of $273. It's the maximum price or the best-case scenario Solana can have, taking into consideration the bull market. However, if we talk about the worst-case scenario, when the market will be bear, as it is now, the lowest price can be $150. Let's compare these price predictions with the price Solana is at now. If it achieved $273, this will mean a direct profit of 337%, meaning if you today invest about $10,000 in Solana, buying it at $81, then they will be worth $33,700. This will be possible only if the market remains bull, and for that to happen, Solana must start to see some price appreciation by April. By going with the $255 price, investing $10,000 at this very moment can let you make $31,481. In other words, you will pocket a profit of about 314%. And here comes the profit by taking the lowest price into consideration. Your today's investment of $10,000 will be worth $18,500 if Solana achieves $150. Now, no one really knows which price prediction may prove to be true. However, there is something certain. Solana will start to gain some momentum, meaning if you had your money invested in Solana, then don't worry. By the end of 2022, Solana's price will reciprocate all losses. Let's do a recap now. Solana has been facing some critical technical issues for the past few months. Due to this reason, its price saw a major breakdown and is still sinking. However, according to the latest price predictions, it seems that Solana will once again potentially hit its all-time high price in 2022. If the market stays bullish, then Solana can easily reach $255 or $273 and possibly even more. But if the market stays bearish due to the war crisis, cryptocurrencies will suffer. Therefore, Solana will achieve $150 if the market does not come out of the shock it is going through presently. Did you know Solana would be stabilizing its price in 2022? Don't be shy to comment right below in the comment section. Would you want to invest in Solana now? Well, the price target it has in 2022 and the price that is being traded now structures the best possibility to invest now. Also, if you don't want to miss any investment opportunities and market insights, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it. Until the next video, stay tuned.